Bonjour à tous. Hi everyone and welcome to Learn French with Vincent. This is Unité 8, leçon P. So let's discover together some sentences in which you will have two pronouns and they will be at the affirmative imperative. And keep in mind that for all these sentences, we'll take the pronoun les, just to see how to make these sentences. Okay, so let's start right now. Teach them to me. Apprends-les-moi. 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 Teach them to him. Apprends-les-lui. 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 Teach them to us. Apprends-les-nous. 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 Teach them to them. Apprends-les-leur. 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 So before letting you go, keep in mind that it's always possible to find more videos on the YouTube channel, and it's youtube.com/imagier. So you can subscribe and definitely you can like the videos. It would be so great. Thank you very much in advance. If you want more content and if you want all the videos, all the audios, all the things that I've been producing so far, the platform is frenchforme.net. Okay, and then if you are only interested in audio or PDF for the lessons, then it's another place and it's frenchforus.net. And last but not least, if you need to go faster, if you want some Skype lessons, it's possible. Let's try to find a convenient time for you and for me. And so just send me something through frenchforyou.net. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Au revoir et à bientôt.